Picture this, your phone buzzes, a notification pops up. You owe $1,200 on your roof repair. Your heart races. $1,200 is a lot, especially when it lands on a bank statement in March. Then the next surprise, a $250 lawnmower replacement in July. You wonder, how did this happen? The answer: most people don't plan for these spikes. You could be stuck pulling money from savings, or worse, dipping into credit. But there is a simple way to stay ahead. By setting aside money over time, you turn big bills into predictable payments. It's not magic, it's a sinking fund. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build one. No more late fees. No more panic. Just steady, manageable cash flow. Ready to stop the surprise? Let's dive in. Think of a sinking fund as a savings bucket for big, predictable expenses. Unlike a rainy day pot, it targets future bills, not emergencies. Every month, you set aside a fixed amount for items like car repairs or holiday gifts. If you expect a $1,200 appliance replacement in 3 years, divide that by 36 months. You'd save $33.33 each month. This keeps the payment from ripping your budget. By the time the bill arrives, the money is already there, so you avoid credit cards or cash withdrawals. The goal is to stay out of debt and surprise. A sinking fund also locks in today's dollars, protecting against price inflation. Over time, you'll build a cushion that feels like a financial shield. Plan your fund annually. Review it quarterly to stay on track. Now, let's build the fund. Picture a $120 car payment due next year. Add a $30 buffer for repairs. Your target is $150. Divide by 12 months, $12.50, round up to $13 each month. Set that as a recurring transfer from checking to a dedicated savings account. After 12 months, you'll have $156, covering the car and the cushion. If your payment changes, adjust the monthly amount, not the timeline. Keep the spreadsheet updated. This simple math keeps surprises out. Remember, small adjustments keep the fund on track. Review it quarterly to stay on track. If you find extra cash, bump the monthly amount. If you're short, reduce the buffer slightly, but keep the goal. The key is consistency, not perfection. This disciplined approach saves you stress and keeps your budget healthy. Now that you know the math, let's lock it in. First, open your online banking app and tap Transfers. Set up a monthly move that matches your sinking fund goal. For example, move $250 from checking to a dedicated savings account on the 5th of every month. Use the app's recurring transfer feature so the money leaves automatically. Second, label the new account Home Repair Fund so you can't mistake it for a vacation jar. Third, enable alerts. You'll get a push notification each time the transfer completes. This gives you instant proof that the money is safe. Finally, avoid touching the account. Treat it like a trust fund, no peeking, no spending. With automation, you're forced to plan ahead instead of scrambling when the next big bill hits and stay on track. With automation, you're forced to plan ahead instead of scrambling when the next big bill hits and stay on track. Imagine a HVAC unit that costs $1,200 for a quarterly service. Split that into 4 monthly deposits of $300. By the time the technician arrives, you'll have the exact amount ready. Next, consider a yearly insurance premium of $6,000. Divide that by 12 months, $500 a month. Automate the transfer right after payday and watch the pile build. You'll never find yourself with an unexpected $6,000 owed. Plus, the fund keeps growing even if you increase the premium next year. If the HVAC costs rise to $1,500, adjust the monthly deposit to $375, no surprise. Regular reviews keep the plan aligned with life changes and maintain peace of mind, and you can redirect the surplus toward other goals. Now that you know how to build a sinking fund, you can stop guessing when the next big bill arrives. Imagine a $1,200 annual car maintenance fund. Put $100 each month into a separate account. After 12 months, you're ready for the repair without debt. You'll feel secure, not stressed. Sinking funds also free you to invest the rest of your money. Instead of scrambling for $1,200, you simply transfer the spare cash to a high-yield savings account or index fund. Think of a $4,000 holiday budget. Allocate $333 per month. Every year you're prepared, and you avoid last-minute credit card charges. Start today. Create a tiny spreadsheet, set up an automatic transfer, and watch your peace grow. Subscribe for more practical money habits. Stay calm, stay in control. Educational only, not financial advice.